You seen the title in the thumbnail. You already know what we doing. We doing smoked paprika baked chicken. Now, if you never had your chicken baked like this, you missing out, but you're gonna learn today. You ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this particular recipe. Right here, we have our boneless chicken thighs. Now, you can use whatever part of the chicken you want. That's totally up to you, but I'm using boneless chicken thighs for this particular recipe. We have some seasoned salt back here. We have some olive oil, cumin, brown sugar, black pepper, paprika, of course, some cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. So these are the ingredients. Let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start off by making our paprika blend. This is a very simple recipe, guys, very quick. We're gonna add our paprika to this bowl, our garlic powder, onion powder, our brown sugar, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and our cumin. And all we're gonna do is get that mixed up. Now, of course, this is a lot of seasoning, guys. We're not gonna use all this seasoning. I like to make a little bit more of this because I added to some of my other cooking adventures or activities throughout the week. So this is a nice little seasoned blend to use. Pretty much has everything I like to use: onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika. So very, very good blend. All right, that's what we have. Let's move on. All right, so now we're gonna start seasoning our chicken. We're gonna add our olive oil here, along with our seasoned salt. And we're gonna use 2 to 3 tablespoons of that paprika blend that we just made. We'll start out with 2 tablespoons, I'm sorry. And we're gonna get this baby mixed up. Yeah, it looks like a lot, guys, until you start mixing that baby up and you realize you need to add more. All right, so we're gonna sit that aside, let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes, and now we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven. Let's start loading our baking dish up. I'm using a 9x9 here. We're just gonna get these babies snugged in here. So now I've preheated our oven to 380 degrees. Now you can cook it between 375 and 400. That's totally up to you. I'm gonna put mine on 380. I would do 375, but my toaster oven doesn't have 375, it's 380 and on up, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and stick these babies in here, and we're gonna let them cook for 45 minutes. And guys, you wanna make sure that internal temperature is at least around 165, but I want mine between 185 and 200, because that gives me that nice texture. All right, so we're about 45 minutes in. We're gonna pause our heat. Guys, take a look at what we have here. Now, just to get a little brown on the top, I'm gonna put it back in, change our settings to broil. That way we can get that brownish color on the top of our chicken. We're gonna do that for about a couple of minutes or until it's brown. All right, guys, so we've been under here for about 3 minutes. I think that's gonna be good enough for the color that we're looking for. Man, take a look at that right there. All right, let's get this over on our cutting board. That way we can get into our final presentation and quality control. So guys, this is what we have straight out the oven. We're gonna go ahead and get it plated up so we can test it out. And there you have it, guys. Smoked paprika baked thighs. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control so we can test it out. Y'all ready? Let's go. Listen, we jumping right into quality control, man. I'm telling you, I'm just gonna show you these babies. Look at that, man. Ooh, look at that. Let's go ahead and try it out. Oh man. Man, I think I'm smacking. Man, these things are so flavorful. Tender, juicy. I know you guys want to ask me, what do I eat this with? Man, you can eat it with rice, mashed potatoes, a salad. Eat it with whatever you want to eat it with. I just want you to make them, all right? These babies are delicious, I'm telling you. Man. So guys, definitely check it out. Until the end, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just want y'all to try these. And I cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.